Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into a must-have solution for pest control, especially if you're dealing with pesky June bugs.
Say hello to BIFENTHRIN-PLUS-C Insecticide Termiticide. This powerful insecticide isn't just any ordinary bug spray. It's a game changer in the fight against insects, whether they're flying or crawling.
Let's delve deeper into why this product stands out. First off, let's talk about its powerful pest control abilities.
BIFENTHRIN-PLUS-C is designed to take charge of your space and bid farewell to bothersome pests once and for all. Whether you're dealing with mosquitoes, spiders, or even rodents, this insecticide termiticide has got you covered.
What's more, it's incredibly easy to use. No need to stress about complicated application processes.
BIFENTHRIN-PLUS-C effortlessly mixes with water, making the application process a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of battling pests and hello to a stress-free solution.
Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you need to secure your indoor living spaces or protect your outdoor lawns, BIFENTHRIN-PLUS-C does it all. It's effective against a wide range of pests, from flying mosquitoes to crawling bugs and even scorpions. With this product, you can create a zero-pest environment with confidence. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to products used around our homes and families. Rest assured, BIFENTHRIN-PLUS-C is designed to deliver powerful results while ensuring safety for your loved ones and the environment. Plus, it's backed by experts in the pest control industry, giving you that extra peace of mind. So, there you have it, folks.
BIFENTHRIN-PLUS-C Insecticide Termiticide, the ultimate solution for June bug problems and beyond. Don't just take our word for it, give it a try and see the results for yourself.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy bug hunting!